Hello guys, welcome to Shy Guy Review. In this video I gonna talk about the hot trending software tool you allows you to create and sell engaging 360 degrees virtual tour videos in just 3 easy steps. Before I start, I like to warn you this software only available on their official website. To make your search easier, I give the link in description. Click the link below now, then you can get limited time offer step-by-step free webinar trainings and free copy of VRStudio bundle. Let's get started. Virtual reality tours are the new face of video marketing, and they have been exploding in popularity over the last 4 years. The VR industry is expected to have a market value of $57.55 billion by 2027. In 2023, VRStudio is the biggest income opportunity for freelancers and agencies. It is a revolutionary new A.I Fusion-based technology that allows you to create and sell engaging 360-degree virtual tour videos in just 3 clicks from a single dashboard. Let's me show the demo video how it works. After that, we briefly review about these core components.
VRStudio is entirely cloud-based and consists of three components.
1. VRStudio. It transforms every campaign into a sales machine that generates leads, engages visitors, and even automates sales. VRStudio's point-and-click interface allows you to add text, video, audio, CTA, images, maps, URL, email, phone, and other engagement and conversion tools to your virtual tours. 2. 360 Creator. Simply convert regular photos of your stores, real estate properties, spas, and other physical spaces, etc.
into 360 images for use in virtual tours. 3. Business and social integrations enable you to share campaigns with the rest of the world via social media and email. Once again, it has been simplified to a single click. There are no technical requirements.
This software came with 30 days money-back guarantee, money advantage of limited time offers.
That's it, guys. If you have any questions, comment below, maybe I can help.
Once again, I warn you, this VRStudio software only available on their official website. In order to access free webinars and free VR bundle, click the link in description.
Have a great week.